Tom Barbalet here in the Bay Area going through some source code. So this is just after the Stockholm rewrite, and the whole purpose of the Stockholm rewrite was initially to just divide up the source code into something that was more manageable with a platform independent core, which is what we're looking at currently, but also to establish a formal open source license. I think this is BSD from memory. Could be a bit more than BSD. Apologies for the background noise, it's kind of hot here, so I've got fans and various other things running. Anyway, so let's get into it. So we start up with 8.c, which will be very familiar to being... it looks very similar actually to the 2000 source code. There really wasn't that much modification. There was addition of some constants, just some general move around. Let's have a look at the core. So again, mainly constants here, very similar to the original one. So it's an 8.c. I think, yeah, the struct motion was something that came in afterwards. Everything was originally stored in separate arrays. So, old style stuff. Still without the brain here as well, unless it's in 8. Unless I missed it. Yeah, do brain. Okay, so the brain stuff is in there. And it'll look kind of similar to the current brain code. Biology, which doesn't really do anything. It's going to be a different biology, perhaps. I think I removed the quantum mechanics biology for a period of time, and this captures this. Yeah, just a whole lot of constants. I think we went through there previously. So island, there's a sine, cosine. The original island was made out of Fourier transforms, hence the sine, cosine to get operators. Well, depending on whether it's high resolution or not. Land operator calculates the moving sunlight, cycles the island, which I think is just about getting the weather information. So yeah, quite a bit different to the simulation as it is now. This is the file handling. So does the writing. This looks, or may look a little familiar to the I/O stuff that's currently in Noble. And finally the version information, which should be very, very brief, aside from the open source license. There we go. So yeah, this is post-Stockholm rewrite. I think Stockholm is 651 from around that kind of numbering scheme. The 6.4 series was all 6.3, 6.4 was like the last versions of the simulation are really 5 and 4. IOTA was 4, and that was like a multi-window monochrome version, which I'll dig out the source for at some stage if folks are interested. But I just wanted to provide this this footage of the early source code, because, you know, somewhere through the development there are source code fetishists that may have interests associated with this. Anyway, Tom Barbalet in the Bay Area, signing out.